France, the land of wine, fashion, art, and love. But behind the Eiffel Tower, romantic cafes, and baguette-chomping charm lies a world of odd taboos, unsaid rules, and shocking cultural codes most outsiders never see. From nude beaches to nightlife etiquette, this is your passport to 15 amazing facts and weird taboos about France that even some locals whisper about. This is Wizzle Dwizzle, where culture meets curiosity. 1. Kissing on the cheek. But how many times? In France, kissing on the cheek, la bise, is normal, but the number of kisses varies by region. Some do 2, some 3, some even 4. Not knowing can lead to awkward social fumbles. 2. No smiling at strangers. Unlike the US or other countries, smiling at strangers in France can seem suspicious or flirty. Constant grinning =sign weird. Politeness is subtle, not toothy. 3. You must say bonjour. If you enter a shop, cafe, or even an elevator without saying bonjour, you're instantly seen as rude. It's a cultural must, even with strangers. 4. Nude beaches are normal. But there are rules. France has hundreds of legal nude beaches, especially along the southern coast. But don't assume it's a free-for-all. Staring, photographing, or being creepy will get you kicked out or worse. Nudity =sign freedom, not flirting. 5. Saunas are co-ed and often clothing-free. Yes, many French spas and saunas are mixed gender and clothing optional. But don't confuse that with sexuality. The moment you act inappropriate, you're done. Taboo behavior includes staring, commenting, or trying to flirt. 6. Don't talk about money. Discussing your salary, rent, or even asking how much something costs is considered vulgar in France. Money talk, non merci. 7. Drinking alone in daytime =sign social stigma. Even in wine-loving France, drinking alone during the day, especially in public, can raise judgmental eyebrows. Social drinking is fine. Solo day drinking? Not so much. 8. You must finish your cheese properly. Cheese is serious business. Cutting the tip of a wedge or slicing it unevenly is a cheese crime. And a social faux pas. 9. Don't mention the French Revolution lightly. It's part of national pride, yes, but talking lightly or joking about the guillotine or Marie Antoinette might not go well. It's complex history, not comedy. 10. Nightlife. Clubs have hidden codes. French nightclubs have their own unspoken rules. Dressing sloppy =sign no entry. Trying to flirt too aggressively =sign rejection. And in some exclusive clubs, nudity or themed events exist, but are invite-only and rule-bound. 11. Ordering coffee wrong. Big mistake. Want milk in your coffee afternoon? Prepare for stairs. A café au lait is for breakfast. After that, it's espresso only. Cultural caffeine code. 12. No doggy bags. Asking to take food home from a restaurant used to be taboo. Though it's becoming more common, many still find it embarrassing or awkward. Finish your plate. 13. Don't say French fries. French fries are actually Belgian in origin, and the French know it. Calling them French can spark some culinary side-eyes. 14. French people aren't rude. You're just loud. Tourists often say French people are rude, but in reality, they just expect you to follow subtle social codes. Being loud, impatient, or skipping greetings, that's the problem. 15. You don't just speak French, you perform it. French is a performance language. Tone, accent, elegance. Trying to speak too casually or using slang poorly can make conversations awkward. French culture values beauty in language. It's not just what you say, it's how you say it. Conclusion, 8:39 o'clock. From nude beaches and spa etiquette to dinner table codes and unspoken nightlife rules, France is a country of refined pleasures and complex customs. To blend in, you need more than a beret. You need to master the taboos. Which French fact or taboo shocked you the most? Hit like, subscribe, and comment if you're ready to dive into more cultures with Wizzle Dwizzle.